Are you interested in becoming a freelance data analyst in 2024? Here are some steps to help you achieve your goal. Step 1. Develop strong analytical and technical skills in data analysis tools such as Python, R, SQL, and Excel. Step 2. Build a portfolio of projects showcasing your data analysis skills and experience. Step 3. Network with professionals in the data analytics field to learn about freelance opportunities. Step 4. Create a professional website or LinkedIn profile to market your services as a freelance data analyst. Step 5. Stay updated on the latest trends and technologies in data analysis to remain competitive in the freelance market. Step 6. Consider taking online courses or certifications to further enhance your skills and credibility as a freelance data analyst. You can also check Digicrome Data Science with AI course. Link is in the description box. Step 7. Be proactive in seeking out freelance projects and clients to build a successful freelance data analyst career in 2024. Share this video with anyone who might find it helpful.